Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to back up your photos, your iPhone photos to iCloud. That is how you can actually back up all the photos you have and all the videos you have on your iPhone to your iCloud on your iPhone. So to back up your photos to your iCloud from your iPhone, this is the first thing I want you to do. I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to my settings. Um, so once you open up your settings, it will load up this page for you. Once it loads up this page, if you check the upper top, you're going to see where it says Apple account. That is your Apple account on your device. So I want you to tap on that Apple account. So once you tap on that Apple account, it's going to bring up another page for you. So on this page, what I want you to do here, I want you to look closely here. You're going to see where it says iCloud. So I want you to tap on that iCloud. So guys, once you tap on that iCloud, it's going to bring up another page for you. On this page, if you look closely, we are going to see where it says photos. So I want you to tap on that photos. So once you tap on the photos, it will bring you to this page. On this page, the first thing I want you to do is this. I want you to turn this on automatically. So how can you do this? If you check the first thing here, you can see where it says sync this iPhone. I want you to turn this on because what this means is this. Once this is turned on, any photo you send or you take on your iPhone will be stored to your iCloud automatically without any manual intervention. So what I want to do here, if you check down here, you are going to see where it says sync now. So I want you to tap on that sync now. Once you tap on the sync now, all your photos will be backed up to your iCloud on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually back up your photos to your iCloud on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.